Rodriguez Residence.
Hello, Len. Nandiyo dyan ba si Gina?
Sir Robert, wala po dito si Ma'am Gina eh. Kasama po ni Sir Gerald.
O sige, Len, pakisabi na lang kay Gina na tawagan yung phone ni Betsy pagdating niya.
Opo, sir. Sige po, sure po.
O sige, salamat. Yes?
Papunta na yung judge sa opisina niya. Oras na para pakasalan mo ang anak ko.
O sige. Halika na. Bitoy, halika na, sumama ka na sa loob. Ikaw ang magiging witness, ha?
Witness?
Oo.
Ako? Sa kasal namin ni Betsy. Okay? Bakit ako boot? Siyempre, ikaw, andito ka.
Wow, you look lovely. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Alam mo, hindi talaga ako komportable. Kailangan sana matawagan natin si Gina. Tawagin niyo naman si Gina para makapunta.
Ay, naku, hindi na. Kasi may lakad yung judge eh. Kailangan na natin pumasok sa loob. Halika na, anak. Halika na. Robert, halika na, pumasok na tayo. Nagmamadali eh. Kanina pa ako nag-aayos.
Loob ka.
Tara na. Pabilisan natin. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay.
Susan! Parang hindi ka tumatanda. Maganda ka pa rin.
Ben, ano? Sisisi ka, no? Inisplitan mo ko.
Hindi ako nag-split. Ikaw ang umisplit sa akin because you find me boring.
Ay, kasi naman ikaw, wala kang ginawa kundi mag-aral. Ay, naku, pakilala ko sa ito na. Pakilala ko sa yung anak ko, si Betsy, at syempre, ang future husband niya, si Robert.
Judge, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Judge.
George, nice to meet you.
May inaantay pa ba tayo?
Wala na.
Wala na po, Judge.
Okay, then we'll start.
Okay.
Ito po yung marriage certificate.
Okay, so we can start.
Excuse me, miss. Dito ba yung office si Judge Ben Soledad?
Wait lang po.
Ate, pwede pakibilisan ng konti.
Sandali lang po.
Okay, we will begin.
Room 07 po, ma'am.
Saan yun?
Paglabas niyo po dyan, ma'am, kakanan po kayo.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, pwede pa ba akong mag-march?
Ay, oo nga, anak. Mag-march ka. Sige, sandali lang, Ben. Importante to, alam mo naman, minsan lang kasal. Alam din.
Okay.
Ay, tulong naman ako. Ben, pwede ba akong magpatulong sa assistant mo?
Francis, tulungan sila.
Halika, Pidoy. Iurong natin tong table. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tan, tadan. Tan, tadan. Tan, tadan.
I'm sorry. I thought this was the office of Judge Ben Soledad. Sabi kasi ng receptionist dito daw eh.
Lumipat na siya ng room. Pakitanong na lang sa reception ulit.
Okay, thank you.
Man, ano nangyari?
Mali yung office na binigay sa akin ng babae kanina. Wala naman sila daddy doon.
Teka, hanapin ko. Diyan ka lang ha. Babalik ako.
Dad, sumagot ka.
We are gathered here to unite this man and this woman in the legal bond of marriage. We come together today not to mark the start of the relationship of knowledge, strengthen and bind in law abundant. That was already existed between them. This wedding ceremony is a public and legal affirmation not abundant, and along with you, the dearest and family and friends of Robert Rodriguez, Elizabeth Morales, it's my honor and privilege to officiate the significant, memorable event of their lives.
Mahal, tara. Alam ko na yung office ng judge. Doon.
Saan?
But before I proceed with the wedding ceremony, I would like to apologize, but it is obligatory on my part to ask all the persons here present, is there anybody here that objects to the marriage of Robert Rodriguez and Elizabeth Morales?
Object? Ay, wala nang ibang bisita. Ito na yun. Anong object? Ay, ikaw ba, Bidoy? May problema ka sa kasalang to? Wala. Tuloy mo na. Walang
So, if there will be no objection, I must proceed. Now let's proceed to the exchange of rings. Repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Robert Rodriguez,
Wear this ring as a sign of my love to you
wear this ring as a sign of my love to you
and to honor you,
and to honor you,
respect you for all the days of my life.
respect you for all the days of my life.
Nasaan si Daddy? Hindi mo ba kasama?
Kasal na ang daddy mo at si Betsy.
I wanted to surprise you with the reception.
Oh, reception.
Wala akong pakialam. Kailangan pumasok sa loob. Betsy!
Kang agaw eksena dito dahil kasal na kami ng daddy mo. I am now your father's wife.
Party ni Betsy to. Siyang bida. Walang pwedeng o mepal na kahit sino.
I'd like to say something to the bride and groom.
Darating ang panahon, makakalimutan na ni Robert ang lahat, pero hindi niya makakalimutan si Betsy.